This is the quality management lesson number 10th and 11th. This quality management lesson has two videos. So in the quality management, we are expecting to identify what is the quality and the quality management, and also why we measure the quality or importance of the quality measurements, and relationship between the quality assurance and quality control, QA versus QC, and the process control and statistical process controls, definitions and the tools, and also control chart basic procedures and types of control charts. These are the content related to the quality management. And very firstly, meaning of the quality. Every quality expert design quality is a somewhat different way. Actually, quality has the quality or quality management has the specific definition under the operation management, because this is very subjective one. So modern definition of quality derives from the Juran, fitness for in-state use. When the product or service can fitness for use, we can tell that quality or that product or service has the quality. And quality is meeting or exceeding customer expectations. When the product or service can meet or exceed the customer expectation, we can call that product or service has the quality. And there are two perspectives in the quality: producers perspective and consumers perspective. The producers are seeing qualities in the different way rather than the consumers perspective. In the producers perspective, producers are concerning quality of conformance as the quality of the product or service, conformance of the specification or cost. Conformance mean the relevantness. And the consumer's perspective, they are concerning the quality of the design quality is the consumer's perspective, quality characteristic and also the prices. This is the two perspective in the quality based on the producer side and the consumer side. And also the Gitlow's definition: quality is a journey starting from the design to conformance and the better performance. Gitlow's definition, he said that normally product or service can measure the quality in the three stages in the production process: when the designing, conformance and the performance stages. The first one is quality of design, a measure of how well the design specification meet the customer requirement. In the design stages, producers are focusing the customer expectation and then they design. A function of product specification start with the market research, sales feedback, analysis, and end with development of the product satisfying the customers. Normally, quality of design or to identify the product specification or a customer requirement, the producers must be focused to the market research or a sales feedback analysis. Example, the compare between the BMW with Honda Civic. And the quality of conformance is the measuring how the design specifications meet the customer requirement, a measure of how well the product meets its design specification. Example is, if the Honda Civic does what is the design to do and does it well, quality exists. And third one is quality of the performance. Normally, quality of the performance can measure to the customers. When the customer feedback is okay, we can call our quality of performance is okay. A measure of how well the customer needs are satisfied by the performance of the product over a period of a time. A function of quality of design and quality of conformance. Actually, quality of performance we can achieve based on the quality of higher quality of design and the higher quality of conformance. Okay, next one is why we measure the quality. What is the importance of the quality measurement? Quality measurement is central to the process of quality control and the improvement. This is the very important point is the when we can measure in the quality measurements, we can control the quality and we can improve the quality improvements. For quality control, measurement provide feedback and early warning in the problem in the quality control stage. Quality measurement provide the early warning for the problems. And quality planning stage, measurement quantify the customer needs and product and process capabilities to identify the capabilities, and the product improvement stage, product measurements can motivate people, prioritize improvement opportunities, and help the diagnosis the cases. These are the three stages. What is the importance of the quality management in the three stages? Okay, these are the dimensions what we can use for measuring the quality based on the Gramen's product quality. First one is the performance. Performance is the primary operating characteristic of the product or service. Normally, what are the primary characteristic customers are concerning? Examples for your references. And the second one is the features, secondary aspect. After the performance evaluations, we focus to analyzing the features of the product or service. And the third one is the conformance. Conformance mean meeting the specification or industry standard. When the product or service meet the industry specification or standards, we can call that product is conformance or that service is conformance. The next one is the reliability. Reliability mean how often the product fail. What is the product failure ability? And serviceability mean how easy is to repair the product. When the easiness of the repairing or servicing or find out the maintenance part, this is the serviceability. And sixth one is the durability. How long the product lasts. What is the lifetime of the product or service? And aesthetic, how the product looks, feel, sounds, taste or smell. How the product or service is feel, that is the aesthetic. And perceived quality, what is the reputation of the company or its company. Normally perceived quality is not directly we can find out as the tangible one in the product. It is mostly related to the production country or a producer or a company reputation or a otherwise site. Okay, next one is what is quality management. In previous we called what is the quality dimension, quality aspects, quality perspectives and the things. And this is what is quality management. Quality management is the act of overseeing all activities and tasks needed to maintain desired level of excellence. To find out to meet the desired level of excellence, we must be maintain and needed task to getting or reach that desired level of excellence. That managing part we can call as the quality management. This includes the determination of quality policy, creating and implementing quality planning and assurance, quality control and quality improvements. It is also referred to as total quality management. Also, this quality management we can call as total quality management or a TQM. TQM is the business philosophy that champions the idea that the long-term success of the company comes from customer satisfaction. TQM requires that all stakeholders in the business work together to improve process, product, services and the culture of the company itself. To gain all of the aspects, procedures and the things in working together to achieve the final goals of the objective in the quality manner, we can call it as the total quality management. And the next one is the difference between the quality assurance and the quality control. Quality assurance is a process focused concept. In the quality assurance, normally quality controllers and quality assurers are assuring the process of the organization. So quality assurance is the process focused concept and quality control is the product focused concept. It is narrow rather than the quality assurance. Quality assurance is assuring the process in the organization in the quality manner, and quality control controlling the product quality in the organization. This is the basic difference between the quality assurance and the quality control. The next one is the process control. Process control means the under the quality assurance part. PC refers to procedures or techniques adopted to evaluate, maintain and improve the quality standard in various stages of the manufacture. The process is considered satisfactory as long as it produces item within the design specification. Normally in the processes we can identify what are the specification we are designing and that design specification meet the conformance. That is the major role in the process control. So statistical process control, normally the process control evaluation, the process control techniques and the procedures, we can use the statistical process control tools. If a product is to meet or exceed customer expectation, generally it should be produced by a process that's stable or repeatable. Statistical process control is a powerful collection of problem-solving tools used in achieving process stability and improving capabilities through the reduction of the variable. Using these statistical process control tools, we can improve the capacity and the process stability and reduction of the variability. And there are several type of tools we can use for measuring the evaluating the statistical process controls. There are 7 tools: histogram or a steam and leaf plots, check sheets, Pareto sheets, case and effect diagram, we called it as the fishbone diagram and the Ishikawa diagram also, and defect concentration diagram, scatter diagram and the control charts. These charts and these tools we can for the manufacturing sector. And the statistical process control in the service sector is different rather than the manufacturing side, because services has the special characteristic rather than the products. It has intangible and can't be stored, and it is depend on the service provider's talent and the knowledge, and likewise that. So service side statistical process control is different rather than the manufacturing side. Nature of the defect is different in services. Service defect is failure to meet customer requirement. One way to deal with service quality is to devise quantifiable measurement of the service element. Example, number of company complaints received per month, number of telephone rings before call the answers. These are the behavioral tools we can use in the to evaluate the service statistical process control. In here I point out the hospital, how the hospital measuring their services, and also the grocery stores and the airlines and the fast food restaurant side, and the catalog order companies for your references. So this is the end of the first video, and from the SPC tools we can call in the second video. Thank you.